Yan. Uh, okay, chicken or rice porridge. Chicken arroz caldo. Okay, here's my ingredients. Onions, garlic, chicken. Supposed to be fresh raw chicken, but they don't have just fresh cooked chicken. Then carrot. Bago siya nga it was a new recipe for me with carrots because I learned this from my boss that carrot is good for the body. So remember before my video, I eat carrot, onions, because I'm having again tonsillitis. Well, it's just a symptoms, but kailangan akong kumain bago to mag-worse. So nilagyan ko lang ng carrots kasi nga ito yung carrots ay the function of this carrots to the throat is to make your throat moisturize, na hindi siya mag-dry. Ganun. Tapos yung garlic is antibacterial. Tapos sabayan na lang ng onion kasi sabayan na lang ng ang onion is antibacterial. Tapos sabayan ng garlic. Garlic is antifungal or inflammation. Try to search in YouTube. That was the function of this one. But I also learned this to my teacher before during our pre-herbal meds, onion and garlic. So since I can't eat this again because it's too maanghang sa mata, it made you cry. How much more if you eat that garlic? I already tried before. And then garlic and onion are always together, but in life there is no forever. And then with brown rice, wala akong white rice dito, so brown rice is also healthier than the white one. So that's it. And then this one, I prefer to use this butter because according to my hobby, this is less I don't know what's in the oil, calories or fat or cholesterol or whatever, as long as it's oil. Maybe it is. And then I will cook now my chicken arroz caldo. I'm in a soft diet due to my throat symptoms of tonsillitis. So so I prefer to use this big pot so that the oil won't splash to the burner. So dagano na to. kung anong oras na. Just 5 minutes. I think that's enough. First is, oh, slow down. Garlic. Halo-halo. Pagka umamoy na siya, ilagay natin